We'll guide you through how to outline text in Photoshop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Adding an outline to text can go and make it pop a lot more, and it can go and put more focus on it, especially on certain backgrounds. Having the outline just makes it stand out a lot more. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on how it can be done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss an important part. So to go and get started, come to the left to the tools and go and find the text tool. Then you can go and click and you can start typing. At the top, you can choose the font, you can choose the size and the color. What I'm going to do is just go and type in outline like so in caps. Then we can go to the top and go and press on the tick. Press Ctrl T so you can start resizing it. I want it nice and big, and you can then click, hold and drag it to change the position and press a tick at the top. Now come into layers and go and find it. And what you want to do is just come to the right. Don't double click on the name, but double click just on some blank space, and the layer style will go and open up. You can then go and select stroke, and you can go and choose the size of it. And you can go and choose the color of the outline as well. You can choose the fill type. You've got color, gradient, and pattern as well, by the way. Press OK, and you've added it. That's it.